Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For this week's video, we're back to our normal videos, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare banana bread. I chose to prepare this because I had some leftover bananas, and I know that many people have that happen, and I just want to show you guys one of the ways you can use them instead of throw them away. I just want to quickly apologize because I'm using a different microphone, so this is going to sound a little bit weird. Now, let's get started. So for the ingredients, you'll need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 4 eggs, 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of oil, 250 grams of flour, 14 grams of baking powder, and obviously 4 bananas. And now, let's get cooking. So first you're going to smash the bananas until they become this sort of thick paste. Now put it off to the side and bring a bowl. In the bowl, add the eggs. Add the sugar. Add salt. And mix. Add the oil. Mix it together. Now add the bananas from earlier. Add the cinnamon powder. Add the flour. Add the baking powder. And now mix. Add it in the mold you'll be cooking it in, and make sure the mold you put some butter so it won't stick, and some flour also so it won't stick. And when you're done, you're going to cook it at 160 degrees for around 45 minutes, but make sure you keep checking up on it. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you try it out. It's really great because sometimes you just have some bananas that you can't eat, and making cake out of it is a great way to save food instead of wasting it. So if you guys one day have some bananas that you're gonna throw out, I really hope you guys go back to this video and try it out. It's also super fluffy and tastes delicious.
بغيتي باش تصورها حتى تصور بالطرف حاسه.
See you guys next time, and as always, keep smiling.